The roads of Earth. The total length would encircle the planet far over 800 times. Narrow roads, rough roads, unmarked roads, all serve to expand your world in all directions, beyond the horizon, to places never imagined. Yes, motorcycles are the ride that offers the greatest freedom. Enshu Hamamatsu, the home of motorcycle manufacturing. Suzuki motorcycle history began with the launch of the Power Free in 1952. Designed to support everyday life, easy for everyone to ride, freedom to enjoy as you like, reliability that ensures endless enjoyment with peace of mind. Suzuki enriches the everyday lives of motorcycle enthusiasts around the world, benefiting society in important ways. Our passion runs even deeper. Motorcycles ignite people's passion. Ever faster, ever more responsive. Numerous victories in the world's biggest races. Prove the performance. The pulsation against your body. The sound that excites your instincts. The acceleration that stimulates your heart. The feeling of wind embracing your whole body. The glimpse of scenery flashing by. Sensations experienced in every cell of your body. Performance as you desire. An irreplaceable partner, always with you. To stir your emotions even more, we strive to be the world's #1 motorcycle enthusiast. Thinking more deeply about motorcycles than anyone else. Changing the common thinking about motorcycles. That's Suzuki. Our pursuit will never stop. To build motorcycles, only we can create. Just wanting to ride. To be one with the wind. We build motorcycles to respond to that desire. Motorcycles that realize dreams. Our work to create is never ending. For the happiness of our customers.